So the next one is explicit casting. Explicit casting is a manual process and converting a larger type to a smaller type size. Explicit casting is checked at runtime by CLR, that is nothing but common language runtime. So as we discussed, implicit casting is done automatically by the compiler, and in explicit casting, it is a manual process. So we are converting larger data type into the smaller data type. So double variable can be assigned to float variable can be assigned to long, and respectively int and char. So it's in a reverse order of implicit casting. So here we are assigning larger data type to a smaller data type. Explicit casting must be done manually by placing the type in parentheses in front of the value. So here we have declared one variable which is of type double, that is my double, and the value is 9.78. And now we are trying to assign that value to integer variable, that is my int. So as we discussed, explicit casting must be done manually by placing the type in parentheses in front of the value. So here we have mentioned the parentheses and in which data type I want to convert this value, that I have to mention over here. So it's called as manual casting, which will convert double value to int value. So now I am printing that information on command prompt. So the output would be 9.78 for my double variable. But here we are converting my double to integer variable. As we know, integer variable do not support decimal values. So it will take only the integer part of it. So console.writeLine, my int will print only the 9 value and it will remove 0.78. So what are the explicit type conversion methods? In explicit casting, it is also possible to convert data types explicitly by using built-in methods. So C# had provided some inbuilt classes and methods to convert the data from one data type to another data type, such as convert.toBoolean, convert.toDouble, convert.toString, convert.toInt32, and toInt64, that is nothing but long. In C#, the convert class provides methods for explicit casting between different data types. It's particularly useful for cases where you need to convert data between incompatible types from string to int. So unlike direct casting, which can only be done between compatible types, converts allow you to handle more complex conversions and also provides options to handle null values without throwing exception. So let's understand this with example. So here we have declared one myInt variable, which is of type integer. Now there is one more double variable and myBool variable, which is of type double and bool respectively. And now I am printing that information on command prompt. So convert.toDouble myInt. So it will convert this value into the double with the help of convert class and toDouble method. So this myInt is converted into the double data type. Here on command prompt, we are printing my double value and converting it into the integer with the help of toInt32 method in convert class. So it will convert double value to int value. So the next one is convert.toString, that is myBool. So here we can see myBool is a Boolean value and we are converting that value in string. So this true would be converted into the string data type.